Hi guys, so today's recipe we're going to be making some egg ball that is going to maybe upset a lot of my Guyanese brothers and sisters, but let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, so by now we all know how to start off with our egg ball, I'm assuming. So we're just going to go ahead and start off with our yuca. I've washed it and I've actually placed it in a pot of boiling water. This is going to come up to a boil with some salt. Okay, so after about 20 minutes or so, a good 20-25 minutes or so, we're gonna go ahead and just poke it to see if it's nice and tender. Then I'm gonna transfer it over into my stand mixer, and I use my stand mixer when I'm making like mashed potatoes or anything that has to do with whipping or mashing like potatoes and so forth. So stand mixer is the best place to be. So I went ahead and I just turned it on, and you want to do this hot. Okay, so you're gonna keep mixing this, and you want to do it while your yuca is hot, guys, because it's going to give you the best texture. Just make sure that you took all the veins out that is typically in the middle of each yuca. Take that out so that is not left in your egg ball. So we want to mix this on a medium speed. Alright, so in here I'm just gonna go ahead and season it while it's in my stand mixer, and as you guys can see, the texture of this, chef kiss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some fresh garlic to it. So I chopped some garlic up, I add some shallot, and I'm gonna add some blended green seasoning. And for my powdered seasoning, I'll just go ahead and add garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some chicken bouillon seasoning. I don't know if you guys do this, but I tend to also. I add just a splash of ginger into my thing. I don't know why. I like ginger, so it goes into everything, but to me it works. So just go ahead and mix that up. Alright guys, so as we can see, it's finished, and trust and believe, whipping in the stand mixer gives the best texture. It's like soft and pillowy like mashed potato because it adds a lot of air to it too. Chef kiss. Let me know in the comments below. Please tell me if you guys ever do it like this or you still mash it like we used to. So everyone knows how to crack an egg, so this is nothing new. You can crack your eggs under running water and it'll peel it off nicely, but this is what I like to do, so I'm just going to show you guys very briefly what I do. So I pretty much just tap the egg onto your surface, and then I want to get a spoon. Get the smallest spoon that you have and just slide it on for the first cracked part of the egg, and then you gently just move your spoon around, guys. That's going to give you perfectly shelled egg each time without you doing too much damage or no damage at all to the eggs itself. So let's just continue. Alright, so from here you want to go ahead and start rolling out your egg ball. You can make it as big or small as you want to. I'm gonna make about 6 egg balls out of this, so I'm gonna make it a bit bigger than what we're used to, because this is just for demonstrational purposes only. So of course we're gonna eat it, but still, you just want to go ahead and put your egg in the middle of your ball, or in the middle of your yuca actually, and roll it into whatever shape you want to. This is my shape. I'm gonna go for it. Now, after I've rolled all my egg balls, I went ahead and I popped mine into the fridge for just about 10 minutes, as it allows it to set and firm up. So that way, when you put it in your batter or your flour, it's nice and smooth and ready. Here's where it differs from me to everybody else. And again, do not crucify me. However, I'm gonna go ahead and I only flour my egg ball. Yes, I only flour my egg ball. Some people do a wet batter and they dunk it into the wet batter. I don't do that. I literally just hit it with flour. Now, at this point, guys, do not judge me. I'm not deep frying this. I am going to go ahead and put this in my air fryer. So I'm going to shake off any excess flour. I'm doing 3 at a time in my air fryer. So I'm going to pop it in the air fryer for 15 minutes. So here we have it. After about 15 minutes in the air fryer, here you have my delicious egg ball. This is still Guyanese way. It's just a little bit healthier. And for all of you who probably is wondering, it might not have the crispiness that we're used to, listen to this. So it's still nice and crispy, and it has the crunch that we're used to. Now, the air fryer gives it a golden brown. It might not have the brown that we normally. So what I did, I put it on broil for like 5 minutes to get the nice darker brown on top of it. So yeah, and then I went ahead and cut open into one and serve it alongside some mango sour that I had. And yeah, here we have it, egg ball. Alright right, so let me know if you guys would ever try it in the air fryer, and if you do try it in the air fryer, let me know how you like it and if you would stick to this way or you prefer it deep fry. Once again, thank you so very much for watching my videos. I hope you watch all the way to the end, and until next time, peace.